Hello guys, my name is Ryan, and today I'm here to talk about the IELTS speaking module, more precisely, the cue card section. So, let's get started. Rule number 1. No matter what the topic is, the content must be relevant. It doesn't have to be based on facts. Rule number 2. Do not be nervous. Nervous হওয়া যাবে না। আপনি যদি কোনো unfamiliar topic পেয়ে থাকেন, তাহলে follow the questions and make up a story. Just make sure it's believable. One more thing to remember, IELTS speaking sectionে আপনাদের knowledgeর উপর base করে mark করা হবে না. What you are being marked on is your fluency. Rule number 3. সবগুলো question answer করতে হবে, but you are allowed to change the sequence of the questions. Rule number 4. You can add extra detail to reach the 2-minute mark, but make sure it is all relevant. Rule number 5. Do not pressurize yourself to come up with unique ideas. Instead, simply focus on the presentation. That's all for today. For more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.